Guys, well, go on, man. You're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video called Fake Security in the Hood, featuring top-notch idiots. Let me tell you something, man. These guys are white, and I feel like that's why they even tried to do this shit in the first place. Me, I ain't doing this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I applaud them for doing this because it's entertaining, but I ain't doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna be reacting to that today, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, man. Drop a like, it won't kill you, and let me know what you would do if you seen these security guys come in your neighborhood, man. We're just gonna get right into it. Okay, this security on the right is not doing it.
You ready or what?
I got a shirt, I got a belt, I got boots, I got a fucking hat.
You got the ball?
But the only reason why shit like this will work sometimes, and it depends on the neighborhood, because some niggas don't give a fuck about cops. And they said security, so these niggas are rent-a-cops? Like,
Hey, we're in a fucking hood, and I brought Opto for the video, and we got Casper right here. Casper.
Opto. About to go up to heaven.
Casper's got new teeth, so make sure you clap for that.
We did some mining in Dubai. We got him some girls.
When you talk with no teeth and with teeth, like, is there a difference? Like, is your tongue getting stuck in between or no?
Bro, what are you smoking here? You know you can't be smoking out here, right?
I'm outside.
From here to 3 blocks is mine, bro.
Fuck out my face.
Hey, you gotta
You see, as I said, bro, some mans don't give a fuck. They're security. They're not
keep
cops.
it moving, my boy. You cannot
Keep it moving, my.
stand over here.
Who I'm talking to?
Talking to fucking security. It's a priority.
Hey, listen what I'm saying.
Oh,
my
yeah,
boy.
you about to
know,
get
I don't look
fucked
at your
up.
size. You feel me? You cannot overpower me.
Move me then, nigga.
Step down.
I ain't moving shit.
Somebody gotta move.
So move me then.
Before we throw hands, I got
Yo, this nigga's not playing no
to
games.
ask you nicely.
You ain't finna throw shit. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got no batons. Y'all got them dumbass badges, dumbass jacket, dumbass
Hey, you better
shirt.
keep it
Y'all
moving.
not
As
my
I said,
boy.
rent-a-cops.
I don't give a fuck about that, nigga.
Hey, you gonna take a walk or not?
Lest we forget, I think it's tall as fuck compared
Why
to
the
those
fuck you
mans.
littering? I just saw you throwing a fucking cigarette butt.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Nigga, you see a nigga with his skull tattoo and you're running up to him like that?
The sky is something around this motherfucker.
Why are you talking like this? Why are you talking like this?
Why you talking like that?
I saw you fucking littering in this fucking area.
So motherfucking what?
You gonna pick it up or what?
Pick it up.
Why are you littering?
Fuck you talking about littering? Fuck
You know who I am?
No, I don't
I'm
know
a
who the
fucking
fuck
This
security
nigga looks like
in
he's
this
ready
area,
to
bro.
swing on him.
Security, man.
There's a fucking problem
I said, what are you securing?
with you, bro.
You's a toy cop, man.
You have fucking too many tats.
Man, I have too many for you. I got more than you, man.
What's so funny?
Life is funny around this motherfucker.
What's so funny, homie?
Huh? You,
Huh?
man.
Don't fucking come at me.
Man.
You wanna throw hands or cigarette butts? Are you talking to yourself or what?
No, man, I could hurt you out here.
I wanna be friends with you.
Yeah,
Are we
the way
friends?
this nigga is built is like a pit bull, eh?
Maybe like a friend's kiss?
He figured out it was fake.
Right there, that's our boss.
Yeah, because that nigga was about to beat their ass.
Can I help you? Hey, what's up with your outfit, my boy? Cannot wear all that stuff on my block. I patrol here, alright? Gotta take that fake jewelry out of my block, my boy.
This shit ain't fake.
Should I diamond test that shit?
You can diamond test it. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
There's no
Is
loitering.
this nigga
over
playing
here,
a
my boy.
Walkman?
Man, I'm just fucking on my phone.
Or is his
Yeah,
phone just set up
you
like a
gotta keep on
Walkman?
walking, my boy. They pay me a lot of money to be here, my boy.
Oh my god.
Stop saying my
You look
boy.
Like you make a lot of money to be here, my boy. You don't leave me the fuck alone.
Walk, bro. Hey, we're gonna have a problem or what?
No, I don't want no problem.
Okay, so walk.
No, I was here first.
You cannot wear all this fake jewelry and
Mister-
stand over here.
Me
like
first,
you're
me
some
first.
rapper or something, bro.
I'm the shit. I'm not a rapper. I'm a b-boy. It's a difference.
Get your b-boy and get out of here.
Don't stick your dog on you. Lucky, my boy's finna get you.
Better keep on walking now, alright?
Hip hop, b-boy for life.
Hanging around with the fake jewelry and shit's my block. Can't fuck around over here.
Yo, I want somebody to swing on them.
What's up, fool?
What up, dog?
And the hell, did he just blow this?
It's a cigarette
No.
weed, yeah.
Yeah, this joke's up.
Hey, my boy, I haven't seen you on this block.
You ain't seen me on this block. This my shit. This joke's up.
I'm guarding this block. Better take a hike.
You said what?
Before something happens, you better
Please
take a hike.
punch one of
Y'all
them.
got me fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all better take them two big ass
Hey.
hats and get the fuck out of here.
You
for
think
real.
this shit's funny or what?
You think it's funny? Y'all coming? Y'all want some weed?
I'm gonna get down on my knees right now, and I'm gonna do something to you.
Listen, tell your mans to
Hey,
back
hey,
up.
take your
away
pants
from
down, my boy.
me. For real.
Yeah, take it
Hey,
down.
take your
Y'all on
pants
some
down,
bullshit. Y'all on some
I wanna demonstrate that to you. Look.
Oh, hell no. Get y'all ass. Hey, bro, get these motherfuckers out front of our store, bro. Y'all some weird shit, dog.
Yeah, they're playing some dangerous games.
Keep hiring
Alright,
me.
this nigga is fun.
Steve, the manager. And I'm working here.
I'm the owner, bro. Who's Steve? I don't know Steve, brother. Honestly, you can't be doing stuff like this, bro. Like, what's going on with that? What's up with
What do you mean? I'm getting paid minimum wage. What do you expect me to do?
Bro, nah.
I have to relax. I'm sitting on a fucking stiff chair too.
I don't have nobody working under me, bro. You gotta get on with that, bro.
Two?
My name's Chris, bro. Nah.
You're not a manager here.
Chris is not playing
Why
those
do you see
games.
I don't know no Steve,
No,
bro.
I'm working here now.
Nah, bro, you gonna have to go
No,
somewhere
you
with
don't
that,
touch me.
Bro, you gonna have to step somewhere.
No, you're gonna have to move me then.
You're not gonna want that.
Chris,
Come on,
Chris,
let's
don't
go.
touch me. Chris.
Yo,
Come on,
don't
bro.
play with that
Let's
nigga
go,
Chris,
let's
man.
go. No, we
What's
gotta
up
go.
with this?
We
What's
gotta
up
go.
with
Let's
this
go.
guy? Come
Let's
on,
go.
bro. You
Let's
gonna
go.
have to step
Chris,
out. Come on, bro.
Chris, you and I gotta go.
Nah,
No,
there
because
ain't-
Steve's
there-
working here.
There ain't no Steve, bro.
Chris,
I already told you. There
I'm
ain't
going
no
behind
Steve,
the counter.
bro. There's no Steve,
I'm
bro.
protecting
What?
this place.
There's no
Steve
Steve,
hired
bro.
me.
What?
I'm fucking working here right now. That's it. Chris, I'm
Where did
working
Chris go?
here. I'm getting paid minimum wage.
Here, bro. Come on, let's go.
What the fuck is
Come on,
this?
bro. You gonna
Hey,
have to
hey,
get
hey,
out, bro.
whoa. What are you having here, bro?
Bro, what?
Yo,
What are you
did
gonna
you
do
hear
with
how
this
that
shit?
shit sounded?
The fuck? How you gonna stop me like this? How you gonna
I
stop
don't think he
me?
needs to stab you.
What's happening? Hey, everything's good?
Oh yeah.
Streets are safe?
Yeah.
Yeah? You need help?
Ah.
I'll help you. It's fine. What is he
Hey
doing?
man.
Hey,
Say,
You
what are
need
you
a,
doing?
a
You
dental
can't be
plan.
filming here. You can't be filming here.
yeah, you can't
No,
film.
you
man.
can't film here. Let's fucking kick asses, yeah?
You can't film, man.
You can't film here. This fucking asshole fucking filming us. Give me advice. Where should I go to, like,
I
protect
don't-
the service?
You can go down there.
Down there?
Go over there and get the job. What security you work for?
I work for him. He's a celebrity. You never heard of him? He's a Russian rapper, Kasperios.
No, I never heard of you.
Yeah, I'm
Kasperos.
protecting him like it's private security. But I also doing gigs on the side, so like maybe we exchange numbers.
Tell him to quit filming. He don't
Quit
supposed to
fucking
do
filming, you piece of shit. He's just filming a celebrity. That's why I'm like,
That. Don't film me.
don't put the big man in it. Move the camera. Move the camera. Excuse me, ma'am. What's your name?
Oh, she's so sweet.
Morgan? Alejandro?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm actually off
Leave
the
her
clock in
alone.
like 20 minutes, and I have handcuffs.
Okay.
Yeah,
Am I in trouble for anything?
You can be in trouble after my shift is off. We can play some kinky
Oh,
game after the shift.
Oh, I'm not really in like the.
You're not into kinky?
No, not necessarily.
What if I actually put them away and maybe I'll get your number?
Maybe a different time, just because I'm trying to stay self-focused.
You already told me you don't like kinky, so I'm just thinking maybe like just straight up like
a
a.
different route.
For example, if I would have came up with a sausage and asked you, would you like that sausage cooked for you after my shift, that would be a little bit like instigating the sexuality of this activity, you know? But since it's not really a sausage, it's handcuffs, it's a little bit different.
Yeah. How about?
No.
How about the number or the arrest? There's two options for you. You can get my number.
Okay. How about that?
Okay, yes. So make sure you contact me if you have any criminal activity going on in your neighborhood. I'm
Okay.
always there for you.
You guys gotta go.
We gotta go?
Yeah, you guys can't be
Alright.
doing this.
Sure.
Damn
You're
it.
arrested, no?
Oh, you wanna arrest me? You sure about that?
Excuse me, miss, you can't park here.
What are you talking
We
about?
have
wanna
a
put a lady in
celebrity
a Rolls
filming.
Royce.
He usually reserves this spot. We just spoke to your husband. You gotta move this car, and I
Your
don't
husband?
care what kind of whip you drive either. Can't be flexing here with your Rolls Royce. What year is this?
It don't even matter.
They just arrested
I said, what year is
your
this?
husband.
What the fuck? Don't play with me.
Go look at it. We're just arrested your husband.
I'm gonna drive over there then. My door's up. I'm gonna drive over
All right, please get out of here. Get out the car. Go talk to your husband. He stole some jewelry inside. Yeah, he did. He's getting locked up right now. How do you guys drive a car like this and steal jewelry? I don't understand. Yeah, well, it's not cool. Get over there. Get over.
Oh, that's is
I said
that
your
Wiz?
husband's getting arrested. He stole some jewelry.
Oh, that's not Wiz. That's not Wiz. I thought it was Wiz.